हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आज की हमारी वीडियो है हाउ टू सॉल्व वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स इन मैथ्स। सो मैथ्स के जो हमारे मेन ऑपरेशंस होते हैं एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, और उसमें जब प्रॉब्लम सम्स आते हैं या स्टोरी सम्स आते हैं वहां पर बच्चों को बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है। उनको समझ नहीं आता किस तरीके से जो है उस प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व को सॉल्व किया जाए। तो यहाँ पर जो है नैडो स्ट्रैटेजी के थ्रू हम आज वर्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे एंड यू विल सी इट इज वेरी इजी और बच्चे इसे बहुत ही इजीली सॉल्व करेंगे। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारी वीडियो। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ये नैडो स्ट्रैटेजी है क्या, नैडोस क्या होता है, किस तरीके से इसमें जो है हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो नैडो स्ट्रैटेजी के अंदर आता है N फॉर नंबर्स एंड कीवर्ड्स, देन A फॉर आस्क, D फॉर ड्रॉ, O फॉर ऑपरेशन, S for solve। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। कैसे ये वर्क करता है, एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व को सॉल्व करते हैं एंड देन यू विल सी इट इज वेरी इजी टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व्स with the help of NADOS strategy. So let's start the sum. An addition word problem is Nina brought 250 grams of green chili and 500 grams of garlic. What is a total weight the object she brought? So first of all, give the easy word problem to kids to solve. Step number 1, N. N keyword is for numbers. Numbers and keywords. To identify the numbers and keywords in the problem. So number and keywords. Number is like 250 gram. Here you can see that 500 gram. And then keyword is like total weight. So these three keywords are there. तो ये तीन keywords जो है we will underline. Then what is going to be asked? Step number 2. The step number 2 is A for ask. So ask what is being asked in a question. तो question के अंदर क्या कहा गया है? तो question के अंदर कहा गया है what is the total weight of the object. तो object whatever she has brought, what is the total weight of that object. After that, we will see we have to go for the another step. It's D, draw. So we will draw here 250 grams of chilies and 500 grams of garlic here. So we are doing drawing to understand the things. So what is the total weight? इन दोनों का total weight क्या है? So now we will see which operation is going to be used. Like step number 4 is operation. Which operation we should be used? So total weight. We have to find the total weight of the two things. So we have to add here. So addition is there. Total weight comes for the addition. So we will add the things. So then when we just do the operation, we apply the operation over here. So we will add both of them. Then solve. Use the operation to solve the right and answer. So we will add 250 plus 500 grams. So the total weight of the object is 750 grams. So this way, student can easily solve the problem solved. Let's take another example of subtraction sum. So you can give some examples. You can give some sums to your kids so that they can solve it easily with the NADOS operation. Now let's come to the word problem of subtraction. Naveen brought 2 watermelons weighing 890 grams and 910 grams. How much more does one weigh than the other? So here we have to find out that how much more is one weighing to the another. So step 1 is our number and keywords. To identify the number and keywords, it's like these are 890 gram, 910 grams and how much more. How much more is a keyword. कितना ज़्यादा है. Step number 2. Step number 2 goes for the ask. What is being asked in a question? How much more does one weigh than other? So this last step, the last question has been asked. Third step, third goes to draw. So now we have to draw to understand the question. We have to draw 910 and we have to draw 890 grams. So here we are just showing these are the drawing. Then which operation is going to be used? So इसमें कौन सा operation use होगा? Operation is like arithmetic operations होते हैं, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So which operation is going to use to find the answer? How much more? So you need to subtract. In my other video, I will share the keywords of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division so that you can use that keywords, you can read that keywords and you can easily find out that in which questions you have to do addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So it will be very helpful for you. Next, last step is solve. When you come to know about the operation, you can easily solve the answer. So here we will subtract 890 from 910. The answer is 20 gram. The bigger watermelon weighing is 20 gram more than smaller one. So we can do it orally. At times kids can do it orally. But please ask your kids to do it as a sum, to solve it as a sum. So verbally at times they know about the verbal calculation, but whenever it comes to the exam point of view, when it comes to the word problem thing, then they have to solve it. So I hope you like the video. If you like my video, kindly like, subscribe and share. Please do comment in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching my video.